Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio settings on the Contra Operation Galuga game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken into the main menu, from which you can directly start various different game modes. Now, before you start any game, if you wish to change the audio settings, then click on the options menu, which will now open up the options page. From here, click on audio. And now this will show you various different audio parameters. You can use the slider and slide it to the left in order to decrease your volume and move it to the right in order to increase it. After setting the level for both your music and sound effects, you can turn on voiceover or turn it off by using the left or right arrow button. After choosing your desired audio levels, you can go back into the main menu and start your match, and your audio preferences will be applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your audio settings on the Contra Operation Galuga game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.